Hi and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are talking about one of the most important strategies in computer science, and that is divide and conquer. Well, divide and conquer is a paradigm for very efficient algorithms. And it has so many applications in optimization, in sorting algorithms like merge sort, heap sort, in search algorithms like binary search. It is used in tree and graph traversal. It has just a merely incredible range of applications. Well, it is based on fragmenting a bigger tasks into subtasks. And that often until the subtask is just consisting of a trivial solution. And this is usually done by recursion. Well, and then once we created those trivial solutions, there are a few ways how to combine them to create an overall solution again, and that is one by combination of the subtasks. For example, merge sort. I blend in a link to a video where I covered merge sort completely, including its implementation. That is really a great example. Another great example is the assembling of the subtasks, where we put those subtasks then together again to generate the solution as in Quicksort. I also made a great video on Quicksort. Have a look at it. I blended in the top left or right corner. And another really important creation of the solution is that once we created the trivial solutions, one of those trivial solutions is actually the solution of the whole tasks. And that is in binary search. I also made a video on that. And you find that also somewhere in the corner up on your screen right now. Well, okay, so good so far. Let us have a look how divide and conquer is done. We have here the algorithm divide and conquer. And at first, when we call or when we invoke this algorithm, we check, is the solution already solvable or is it trivial? If so, we solve the task. And if not, then we go through our 3 stages of the divide and conquer strategy. And that is 1, the divide strategy, where we fragment our tasks, our main task, where we divide it into multiple smaller subtasks. Once we've done that, we will at some point come to this trivial or solvable solution. So we keep going there, and then we conquer the solutions of our subtasks, and we put those fragments together to generate the whole solution in the end. Okay, let's have a look at a more nice view of this algorithm. At first, we have the task that is to solve. And then we come right into our divide stage. So we want to divide this task now in multiple subtasks. So we fragment our task into subtask 1 to subtask n. And once we've done that, we are also done with our divide stage. So we can keep going and then come to our conquer stage, where we generate the solution from all the solutions of the individual subtasks. And that is divide and conquer. And it is, if you look at it like this, there are also a lot of possible applications in real life. For example, when you want to build a house, you also Don't say, okay, I built the house now. You are going to fragment, to divide all these big tasks, like putting the walls up, like putting the bathroom in, like putting the kitchen in, putting the tiles in, and all that into those subtasks. And it is exactly the same here if we look at programming. So I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And that's it for me today. Have a great day. Bye.